Morning everyone, my name is Emmanuel Di Matubay and this is my report about electrical transformer. Transformer. A transformer is an electrical device that transfers electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. It is used to increase step up or decrease step down, voltage level up, power system, enable efficient transmission and distribution of electrical power. High voltage bushing. A high voltage HV bushing is an insulated device that allows a live conduction to safely pass through a grounded barrier, like a transformer, tank, or wall, without short-circuiting, providing both insulation and mechanical support. Oil conservator. An oil conservator is an cylindrical tank mounted on top of an oil-immersed transformer to manage the expansion and construction of insulating oil due temperature changes. Maintenance. The keeping of equipment, property, or system in good working order through regular inspection, repairs, and servicing. Low voltage bushings. A low voltage bushing is an insulating device used to safely pass low voltage electrical conductors through grounded barriers such as transformer tanks or electrical equipment enclosures. Types of transformer. 1. Step-up transformer. A step-up transformer increases voltage from a low primary levels to higher secondary level, enable operations of high voltage equipment, low voltage supply. 2. Step-down transformer. A step-down transformer reduces high voltage alternating current AC to a lower safety voltage for households or industrial devices. 3. Isolation. Isolation is a state of being separated from others, encompassing physical, social, or emotional, and can be voluntary or involuntary. Autotransformer. An autotransformer is an electrical transformer with a single shared windings that acts as both primary and secondary, allowing it to step up or step down voltage efficiency. 5. Three-phase transformer. A three-phase transformer are essentials for transmitting and distributing large amounts of electrical power by stepping up or down AC voltages between primary and secondary circuits. 6. Insulation transformer. Instrument transformer are high-efficiency electrical devices used to safely scale down high voltages and current to lower standardized level, typically a 1,5A for current, 110 voltage, 120 voltage for voltage. Instrument construction of transformer. Basic principles. The operations of transformer is based on mutual induction between the primary and the secondary windings. Here's a step explanation. 1. AC voltage application. 2. Magnetic flux in core. 3. Induced EMF. 4. Voltage transformation. And that's all. Thank you.